Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make churros, following Nick DiGiovanni's renowned method. This approach ensures you create perfectly crispy churros with a delightful, soft center. We'll cover the exact steps and measurements to achieve that ideal texture and flavor, making your homemade churros truly exceptional. Get ready to master this delicious treat with confidence and precision. The foundation of great churros is a well-made chew dough. First, combine 400 grams of water, 150 grams of sugar, 75 grams of butter, and a pinch of salt in a pot. Bring this mixture to a boil, ensuring the butter and sugar fully dissolve. Remove it from the heat, then quickly stir in 400 grams of all-purpose flour. Once combined, beat in 2 eggs, one at a time, until your dough is smooth and thick. Once your dough is ready, heat your frying oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pipe the dough into the hot oil using a star-tipped nozzle to create those classic ridges. Fry the churros for approximately 8 minutes, turning them occasionally, until they are beautifully and evenly golden brown. After frying, remove them from the oil, let any excess drain, and immediately toss them in a mixture of cinnamon and sugar for that perfect coating. Your delicious homemade churros are now ready to be enjoyed. Serve them warm, perhaps with a decadent caramel or rich chocolate dipping sauce. They are truly at their best when fresh, offering that irresistible combination of crispy exterior and soft interior. We hope you loved learning this recipe. For more great content and to find the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the link in the description, along with other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.